Hi you two, I hope you're okay. So this is Monday's lesson and it's maths lesson 3 and it's a practical lesson measuring in tens and ones. Can you see these tens and ones? At the back of your pack you had the 10 sticks, didn't you, that I said for you to cut up. I hope you've done that now and I hope you've cut some of the tens up into ones. What your job today is going to be to go around your house and measure some things in tens and ones. Okay, Mrs. Cockram's going to measure something first. I am going to measure. Oh, what have I'm going to measure my water bottle. I'm going to tie the lid on so it's safe. I'm going to lay it down flat. You see my water bottle? Oh, I hope it doesn't rust right. So I'm going to measure this using tens and ones. Okay. So I've got 1, 2. Now I can't use 3 tens because it's gone too big for the 3 tens. So I'm going to have to get some of my ones now. So I'm going to get some of my ones to measure that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5. Check. I think I can do one more. 6. I'm going to have 6 ones. My ones are all different colours, aren't they? So my water bottle measures 2 tens and 6 ones. And all together that is, should we count it all together? How many have I got? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Because we know that these are 10s, so we don't need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need to do that. We could just go 10, 20. That means we're doing it more efficiently, which means we're doing it quickly. Okay. Then I might write down then, my water bottle measures 26. I might write that down now quickly. Rub this out quickly. My water bottle measures my water bottle is 2 tens and how many ones did we say? 6 ones. And then I could write all together it is 26. Okay. Should we measure something else together? I've got something here we could measure. Work pack. Because we should all have this. Let's measure the work pack. Let's see how many the work pack is. Okay, you could do this. You could get your work pack now as well. And let's do this together. So, let's go. 10, 20. Wow. How many is it? Should put that there like this so we can see it better. How many is it? There are 3 tens. And I know that 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. Amazing. We didn't have to use any other, we didn't have to use any ones for that one, did we? So your job today is to go around your house measuring loads of different things. You could find cans of soup in your cupboard. You might want to measure your dining room table. You might want to measure your sofa. You might want to measure your TV, or you might want to measure like a shampoo bottle or your bed. How wide your bed is or how long your bed is. You might want to lay down on the floor, and if you've got a brother or a sister or a grown-up, you could measure yourself. How many tens are you? Do you think you'd have enough of these in your pack to cut out? That is your job for today. A practical lesson measuring in tens and ones. I want you to have loads of fun with this, and there's some space here, so you could draw a picture of what you've measured, or you could just write about it. So there's 2 boxes here to just write about that, okay? That is all you need to do for this maths lesson today. I want you to have lots of fun with it and get measuring loads of different things using tens and ones, okay? See you later. Have a lovely day, year 1 and year 1. Not year 1, year 2. Silly Mrs. Cockram. See you later. Bye.